So, we've got Aaron Randall here, and this guy thinks he can dunk. He can dunk. Let's see and test out his skills. What do you have to say about this? He's speechless. That's how good he is. And he misses the dunk. Wow. Wow. Who is that bad? Seriously, you missed a dunk on 7.5 feet. Oh, he almost missed that one too, but got lucky. Missed that one. Alright. Oh, missed that one. Oh, he can't even dunk it now. He just gives up. Oh. And a weird noise just appeared. UFO? I think we just got a UFO on camera. Dude, we got a UFO on camera! Oh my gosh!